Okay, let's dive into an amazing story about how one plant literally changed global economics.
Ever wonder why Canadian farmers grow Ukrainian hemp thinking it's European? Well, it all started with a massive breakthrough.
The story kicks off in Ukraine, thanks to an absolute genius named Doctor Vyrovets. He completely changed global breeding, creating hemp with THC levels 10 times lower than strict European limits. His creation, USO 31, ripened early and finally allowed for mechanized harvesting, a true game changer for farmers everywhere. But the real magic? The incredibly smart economics and licensing deals behind this genetic goldmine. You might think Ukraine just sold the rights and walked away. Nope. They set up a genius royalty structure. French companies handled European sales, but Ukraine cleverly kept the core genetics and the rights. It was an absolute masterclass. This deal meant steady royalties constantly flowed right back to the Ukrainian Institute. And that financial engine, it sparked a huge domino effect, pushing these seeds onto the global stage. From a Ukrainian lab to French multiplication, these seeds rapidly conquered worldwide distribution networks. Buyers saw the EU certified label, totally unaware they were actually buying brilliant Ukrainian intellectual property. This single seed variety actually swooped in and completely rebuilt massive foreign agricultural industries. For example, it shifted France from intense manual labor to mechanized farming, making them Europe's #1 producer. And when Canada legalized hemp in '98, USO 31's early ripening traits literally built their modern hemp industry. Today, Dr. Vyrovets' incredible innovation is still the gold standard in Canada, China, and all across Europe.
So, if one Ukrainian seed built global industries back then, imagine what their agricultural innovations could achieve today.